Assalamualaikum viewers, you are watching my YouTube channel. Our today's topic is difference between shortkey and hotkey. Do you know what is the difference between shortkey and hotkey? Let us see the difference between hotkey and shortkey. Before going to our video, please subscribe my YouTube channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications for the new videos. Share the video with your friend and family members if you really learn something from these videos. And also follow up me with my blog computerforlearners.blogspot.com. Let us see our today's topic. Generally speaking, these two terms are pretty interchangeable with each other. A shortcut key, or hotkey is a single and or combination of two or more than two keys which is used to perform a specific task without using standard menu bar or the toolbars. Keep in mind, shortcut key and the shotkey, it's the same. It's only the name difference, but the hotkey is different in behavior as well. Let us see what is this. The shortcut key or the shotkey is a key and or combination of keys that is used to perform a specific task in a particular application. So this is a application specific key. If you will use this key in other application, the behavior of this shotkey will be different or maybe same, but mostly this is application specific. Okay, let us see with an example. Control plus D, this is a shotkey. In Microsoft Word, this shotkey is used to show the font dialog box that is appear on the right side to set different type of fonts, font size, font style. The same shotkey, Control plus T, in Microsoft Excel has entirely different behavior. So this key is used to downfill the data. You can see in the right side picture, the first picture without Control D, the first cell contains 100 and the rest are empty. And after pressing Control D, the 100 will be repeated and copied in all the down cells. So the same key has a different behavior in different application. On the other hand, the hotkey will be used for the same purpose in all over the Windows platform, or this is not basically the application specific. If you will press the same key in different application, it will give you the same behavior, the same command, the same task. Let us see with an example. Control plus C, hotkey, you can use in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, in Google Spreadsheet, in Google Doc, in email, anywhere in the Windows platform. Control C will be used to copy the selected text, picture, object, application, data file, whatever is selected. Copy will create a copy and save in the clipboard of the Windows. The other example is Control V. This hotkey is used to paste the selected text, object, application, data, whatever is copied, it will be used to paste. Same undo, redo, Control Z, undo, and Control Y, redo. These are also hotkeys and used in the whole Windows platform for the same purpose. So this is hotkey. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Again, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please hit the bell icon and Give me your comments. I will review and give you my feedback as well.